is about to be one of my favorite wigs by Rpgshow. Like, hands down, they did their thing on this wig right here. Look at that. They got like a nice bold blonde streak in it. The color is gorgeous, okay? And it is like, my color is a light brown lace, but you know, it's so damn transparent damn near. You can't even see the lace. It's a 13 by 6 inch frontal. It has the combs right here. And then there is the comb and the nape in the back, and the adjustable strap and the nape. And then this is their new elastic bands also. So you'll get an elastic band if you don't feel like this is enough. But this is the one that's already sewn on for you. And it has like that little bra hook right there. So all you have to do is adjust. I'm ready. Okay, I'm about to put this wig on. I'm ready. I'm freaking ready. I did put some curl to it in the beginning, but then I was like, girl, I like this straight. This look cute straight. So I'm ready. I'm ready. This wig is everything, okay? Now, let me say, I love this wig. Like, serious, I love this wig. This color is like screaming. This, if this is speaking to me, seriously, this is speaking to me. Okay, this whole wig is speaking to me. Y'all know I don't do straight hair like that, but I love this color. Like, this is the color that I would want to just wear straight. Like, I'll put a little bump to it too. Now, don't get it twisted. But this one, I would rock the hell out of this wig with it just like this. Like, the density is bomb. The color, RPG show, like, okay, so I said this about their wigs before. You know what? They overdid themselves. Like, for real, with this one, they outdid themselves. So I'm saying they overdid themselves because, girl, look, you cannot say that this color is not all that, okay? This color is all that, okay? I love this, girl. You know what? Thank you, okay? Thank you very much. Thank you very much, RPG show, for this one right here. This is rather cute, honey. Look at the highlight. Look how it just eases its way into another color. And even though it's like right here on the top, look how it just kind of like eases its way into like a color. So like, this is gorgeous. This is totally gorgeous. I really like this. This is really pretty. Okay. I think it's like 22 inches. I don't know. It cannot be 20. I can't remember. I'll definitely have to link everything below for you guys. The bleach knots, the pre-plucked hairline, it came out so nice. Look at how good the lace is. Like, they have like impeccable lace. Like, and you know what I like about their lace front wigs? Like, you know how some lace front wigs, they ever get a lace front wig and in the back where the nape is at, it has that little flap. So like, even if you was to pull it up, there's this little portion like right where your neck is at that's longer. I hate that. And so it makes it impossible, not impossible, but it just makes it a little bit more work when you want to put your lace front up in a bun. Like, you don't need no full lace wig, and you know what I'm saying? So with RPG shows, they don't have that little, I don't know what you want to call that piece, but you guys know what I'm talking about in the back. It's just like this little flap. I'm about to start cutting them off, and I know I'm gonna cut off some of the hair, but I don't even care at that point, because when I want to put up in a bun is this little piece right here, but theirs doesn't have that in the back. It just goes like straight across, like how your hair would be. So it's still manageable to put up in a bun. So like, you know, I love this wig. Y'all gonna see me rocking this one. This is why I was excited. Like, seriously, like, look, hello. Hello? Okay, hello. Y'all gotta make sure y'all check out RPG show. Happy anniversary, 12 years. So, you know, with their anniversary, I'm pretty sure they got a sale going on. Like, who don't want to celebrate with a good sale? I mean, I'm saying, like, come on, man. Come on. They always got something popping. They always got some type of discount. So you already know you best make sure to check down below of the description box for this video and head on over to RPG show and get this one right here, which I'm pretty sure you guys are going to love. And if you're wondering, did I have to do anything spectacular to make it pop with this color? No, I didn't. It came just like this. The only thing I did was bleach my knots, pre-pluck the hairline. I used the purple shimmer light shampoo on the wig, like, you know, on the lace. And I did use a little bit of it on this, but it was already this color. And then I just let it air dry. So, honeys, yeah, if you want to check the wig out, check down below. Let me know what you think, because I'm all done and I'm about to rock this out. I love you guys. Happy anniversary, RPG show. So, on that note, I gotta go.